Rosemary. Now with our sprig of rosemary, we want it to be dark green, and if you see any turning black, it means that they're starting to go bad. To remove the leaves, simply work your way from the top of the stem towards the bottom. And there's always going to be some that remain at the top of the stem, which you can simply pull off. Next, I'm going to show you how to finely chop rosemary to add to marinades, sauces, and soups. Lay the leaves flat against the board, and using only your index from your guide hand, cut them as fine as you possibly can. And there's our chopped rosemary.